Sub-County Police Commander, Kisii Central. I'm reporting this accident which just occurred. That was about 8:30 in the morning. It involved a modern coast bus which was on its way from Mombasa to Homa. It happened that when the bus was approaching Makutano, where their offices is situated, the driver failed to control the vehicle as he was reversing to have a good parking lot or a parking place so that it would offload the luggage which were destined for Kisii. As he was able to stop the vehicle as it was moving at an uncontrollable speed, he hit a stationed vehicle, Matatu, destined Molo, Circle. After that, it ended up landing into the river, that is River Nyamasora, within Masosa area of Kisii sub-county. So far, one person, an African male, middle-aged, who was a pedestrian, who succumbed on the spot after being hit by the Matatu, succumbed, and his body has been moved to KTRH morgue, awaiting post-mortem and identification so that relatives can organize for his body. Otherwise, several passengers who boarded the bus were also rescued from the river or from the bus and were rushed to KTRH, where they are receiving treatment. So far, the vehicle or the bus has been recovered from the river and already removed to Kisii Central Police Station, awaiting inspection. That's all.